Welcome to Genius Tech Trends. Have you ever wondered who can do it better, machines or humans? As technology advances, machines have become more capable of performing tasks once reserved for skilled human hands. In this video, we'll explore some of the most impressive machines that are changing the food production industry. MODI DF24 Machine for handling strawberries. One machine that stands out in the food industry is the MODI DF24, specifically designed to handle delicate fruits like strawberries with the utmost care. This machine performs three essential steps. First, it aligns the fruit for proper processing. Then, it carefully separates the stem from the berry without damaging the fruit. Finally, it removes the fruit from the stem, ensuring minimal waste and maximizing the quality of the berries. This machine not only increases efficiency, but also reduces the risk of damage, making it perfect for large-scale berry production. Macaroni production machinery. Next, let's talk about the machinery behind one of the most beloved pasta types, macaroni. The enormous machinery used to produce macaroni can churn out up to 6 tons per hour, making it a powerhouse in the food industry. These machines come equipped with a double extruder and an 11-tier dryer that work seamlessly together to create perfectly formed macaroni. After extrusion, the pasta moves through the drying process, where it is carefully dried to preserve its texture and flavor. Once dried, the pasta is packaged and ready for distribution. The entire process from start to finish is highly automated, reducing labor costs and improving production speed. Modern meat preservation machines. In today's world, food preservation is more important than ever. Modern meat preservation machines are revolutionizing the way we store and preserve meat. These machines use advanced techniques such as injecting salt water directly into the meat, which helps maintain its freshness and extends its shelf life. This method ensures that meat remains tender and flavorful, even after long periods of storage. Whether it's beef, pork, or poultry, these machines help ensure that the meat you consume is always fresh and safe to eat. Donut glazing machine. If you're not already a die-hard fan of donuts, the mesmerizing glazing process might just change your mind. The donut glazing machine is a fascinating piece of equipment that takes fresh donuts and coats them in a perfect layer of glaze. With precision and speed, the machine dips the donuts into the glaze, creating a glossy, smooth coating that makes them irresistible. This automated process not only ensures consistency in the final product, but also allows for large-scale production without compromising quality. Rondabot circular molding system. Next, let's take a look at the Rondabot circular molding system, which is a game changer for the production of dough-based products. This machine is designed to ensure consistent dough shaping, achieving 100% repeatability in the production line. Whether it's for bread, pastries, or pizza crusts, the Rondabot molds the dough into perfect uniform shapes every time. The precision it offers is unmatched, ensuring that every product that comes off the production line is consistent in size and shape. Cone-shaped pizza machine. Pizza lovers, this one's for you. The cone-shaped pizza machine is making waves in the food industry by offering a unique take on the traditional pizza. Instead of the usual flat pizza, this machine creates a cone-shaped crust that is perfect for stuffing with toppings and cheese. The machine prepares the dough, bakes it into a cone, and then loads it with your favorite fillings, all while maintaining the perfect balance of crispy and soft. This innovation makes for a fun and portable way to enjoy pizza, perfect for parties or food trucks. Popcorn machine from corn cob. Making your favorite popcorn has never been easier thanks to this innovative machine. Now you can prepare popcorn directly from the corn cob with minimal effort. The machine removes the kernels from the cob, heats them up, and pops them into a fluffy snack ready to eat. This system not only simplifies the popcorn making process, but also helps preserve the natural flavor of the corn, offering a fresher, more authentic popcorn experience. Pizza cutting machine. When a knife can't handle all the pizza cutting machine steps in. This innovative system is designed to cut pizzas quickly and efficiently, ensuring that each slice is perfectly even. Whether it's a traditional round pizza or a rectangular sheet pizza, this machine can handle it all. It's ideal for high-volume pizzerias that need to cut dozens or even hundreds of pizzas in a short period. Mobile fresh juice machine. In today's fast-paced world, everyone wants convenience, and the mobile fresh juice machine delivers just that. Imagine being able to get freshly squeezed juice wherever you go. This mobile machine can handle everything from sorting and washing the fruits to crushing, extracting, and packaging the juice, all in one seamless process. Whether it's for a juice stand or a high-volume production line, this machine ensures fresh and nutritious juice with minimal effort. Dough distribution machine. The dough distribution machine is a must-have for any bakery or food production line. This machine ensures that each tray receives an equal amount of dough, distributed with precision. This level of accuracy is important for maintaining consistent product size and texture, which is essential for large-scale production. Whether it's for cookies, bread, or pastries, this machine ensures that every batch is perfectly uniform. Vertical meat slicer. When it comes to slicing meat, precision is key, and the vertical meat slicer delivers just that. This machine ensures that each slice of meat is perfectly even, whether you're slicing deli meats, steaks, or other cuts. The slicer operates vertically, which allows for greater control and consistency in the thickness of each slice. This is particularly important for products like sandwiches or charcuterie boards, where even slices are essential for presentation and flavor. Ice cream production line. There are so many ice creams here that just looking at them can give you chills. The ice cream production line is a fascinating machine that creates large quantities of ice cream with ease. From mixing the ingredients to freezing and packaging the final product, this line automates the entire process, ensuring consistency and efficiency. Whether it's a basic vanilla or a complex multi-layered flavor, this machine can handle it all. Automatic potato packaging line. An automatic potato packaging assembly line ensures speed and efficiency when it comes to preparing and packing potatoes for distribution. Whether they're whole, sliced, or mashed, this line ensures that each potato is packaged perfectly, ready for shipment to grocery stores or restaurants. The automation of this process reduces labor costs and increases productivity, making it ideal for large-scale operations. Donor meat slicing robot. One of the most impressive machines in food production is the donor meat slicing robot. This machine can slice meat continuously all day without rest, ensuring that the meat is sliced evenly and efficiently. Whether it's for doner kebabs or shawarma, this robot provides consistency and speed, allowing for faster service in busy restaurants or food trucks. Pectin spray machine for cakes. A pectin spray machine quickly preserves your sweet cakes, ensuring that they stay fresh and flavorful for longer periods. By spraying a thin layer of pectin, this machine helps preserve the moisture and texture of cakes, making them perfect for long-term storage or transportation. This machine is especially valuable for bakeries that produce cakes in large quantities for events or retail distribution. Automated cooking pan. A giant automated pan significantly speeds up work progress in food production. Whether it's for frying, sautéing, or mixing, this pan can handle large volumes of food while ensuring even cooking and consistency. It's perfect for large-scale operations where speed and efficiency are crucial. Apple sorting and placing robot. Using visual recognition, a robot can identify and place apples in their correct positions with precision. This machine is an excellent example of how AI and robotics are being integrated into food processing. By automating the sorting process, it ensures that only the highest quality apples make it to market while reducing labor costs. Shaved ice machine. To make shaved ice, simply load the materials into this machine. It's that easy. This machine quickly shaves ice into a fine, fluffy texture that's perfect for creating snow cones, ice cream toppings, or even shaved ice desserts. Thin cake slicing machine. This machine is perfect for creating thin cake slices in just minutes. Whether it's for layer cakes, tortes, or other delicate desserts, this machine ensures that each slice is perfect and uniform. Chef robots for pizza. With chef robots, a pizza can be prepared in just 5 minutes. These robots can handle everything from spreading the sauce to adding the toppings and baking the pizza to perfection. PDS-4L system for bell pepper processing. The PDS-4L system is an ideal solution for bell pepper processing with minimal labor. This automated machine performs the entire sorting and slicing process with precision and efficiency, making it perfect for large-scale food production facilities that handle a significant volume of peppers daily. The meatball making machine. The meatball making machine is straight out of Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. This machine can create meatballs in a variety of sizes and styles, ensuring that each meatball is perfectly round and consistent in weight. The automation allows for large batches to be produced quickly, ideal for food service businesses and factories. Onion flour tool. A unique tool transforms onions into stunning floral shapes. This machine is designed for creating beautiful onion decorations for gourmet dishes or to enhance the presentation of meals at restaurants and events. It works by slicing onions in a way that they bloom open, resembling a flower, which adds an elegant touch to any dish. Sweet potato ball machine. Want to know the secret to perfect sweet potato balls? These machines have it covered. The sweet potato ball making machine automates the process of creating these popular snacks, ensuring consistency in shape and texture with every batch. This machine is perfect for high-demand environments, such as food trucks or large bakeries. Robot array for consistency. With consistent quality and stability, Robot AI Array is an ideal solution for production lines. This robot is equipped with advanced sensors and algorithms to maintain uniformity across large production runs. Whether it's for baking, packing, or sorting, Robot Array ensures that each product meets the highest standards of quality. Magnetic clamp for spinning machines. Check out this new multifunctional magnetic clamp for spinning machines. This tool holds components securely in place while they spin, ensuring precision in processes like mixing, beating, or even coating foods. Its magnetic design makes it easy to use and highly effective in speeding up production times. Crab Terminator. Meet the ultimate crab terminator, fast and efficient. This machine is designed for quickly and accurately breaking down crabs for processing. It ensures that the crab meat is extracted cleanly and efficiently, reducing waste and maximizing yield. Grape pressing and filtering for wine. Tons of grapes are pressed and filtered in no time to produce wine. This machine automates the pressing process, extracting juice from grapes quickly and efficiently. The filtering system ensures that the juice is clear, free from debris, and ready for fermentation, all at high speed. Fresh noodle machine. Craving fresh noodles? It's simple. Just load the ingredients into this machine and let it do the rest. This machine automates the entire process of noodle making, from mixing the dough to shaping and cutting the noodles. It's perfect for restaurants and factories that want to serve fresh, high-quality noodles with minimal effort. Chicken feather plucking and cutting machines. Plucking chicken feathers is no longer a time-consuming task if you own this machine. After cleaning, simply place the chickens into the cutting machine. These automated machines speed up the process of cleaning and preparing poultry, making them essential in large-scale meat production. Pancake making machine. The pancake making machine has a capacity of up to 9,000 pancakes per hour. This machine can produce pancakes at lightning speed, perfect for breakfast restaurants or food service operations that need to prepare large quantities in a short time. The pancakes come out perfectly shaped and ready to serve. Fish cake production line. This fish cake production line delivers perfection. Just fry and enjoy. The line automates every step of the fish cake making process, from mixing the ingredients to shaping the cakes and frying them to crispy perfection. It ensures that each fish cake has the right texture and taste, making it a hit in restaurants and food service operations. Bacon cake decoration tools. Decorating bacon cakes has never been easier with these tools. The bacon cake decoration machine automates the process of adding intricate designs and toppings to cakes, ensuring every cake is beautifully decorated without the need for skilled labor. Sausage production line. A streamlined solution optimizes organization in sausage production lines. This machine automates the entire sausage making process, from mixing and stuffing the sausage casings to linking and packaging. It's perfect for high-volume sausage production. Egg processing line. The largest egg processing line can break up to 25,600 eggs per hour. This line automates the entire egg cracking, separating, and packaging process, making it incredibly efficient and ideal for large-scale egg production. Carrot distribution system. Carrot distribution systems help operators classify with ease. These systems use automated sorting technology to categorize and distribute carrots based on size and quality, ensuring consistency in packaging and reducing labor costs. Apple sorting and distribution. Apples are thoroughly washed and sorted before being distributed to customers. This automated system ensures that apples are clean and sorted according to quality before they make it to market. It's an essential part of the apple processing industry. Cake preparation in 3 seconds. It takes just 3 seconds to get a fully prepared cake. This machine quickly assembles cakes from the base to the frosting, creating beautiful cakes in record time. Fruit and vegetable cutting machine. Cutting and slicing fruits and vegetables is now faster and more efficient than ever. This machine automates the entire cutting process, ensuring uniformity and speed in preparation for salads, soups, and other dishes. Almond grinding machine. Almonds are ground perfectly for the next stage of processing with this machine. Whether it's for almond butter or almond flour, this machine ensures the almonds are ground to the ideal texture. Innovative baking line. Another innovative baking line will keep you intrigued and coming back for more. These lines automate every aspect of the baking process, from mixing to baking to packaging, ensuring high-quality results every time. And that wraps our video. If you want to learn more about food technology machines, drop a like and leave a comment below.